Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling the proof. Grab your high-res profile photo, 3 cover images, and a PNG logo. Make sure images are 300 dpi. Next, pull your 3 best posts and their engagement numbers, likes, comments, reach, because brands want evidence. Now write a concise bio line, list your niche keywords, and summarize follower demographics. Once done, save everything in a single folder and name files clearly so building the media kit will be fast and accurate. You open your template and place a bold header with logo and one-line bio, then add a stats block showing average engagement percentage, impressions, and reach to prove value. Next, include content samples with thumbnails and captions so brands see your voice. Make sure to list partnership formats, stories, reels, static posts, plus sample pricing or package ranges. Once arranged, refine typography and colors to match your brand, because visual consistency makes it easier for partners to say yes. You export a clean PDF and a web-friendly image version, keeping files under 5 MB so emails deliver smoothly. Then write a short outreach blurb to attach, include contact info, basic booking terms, and typical turnaround times to set expectations. Before sending, proofread and test the PDF on mobile. If your numbers look weak, don't panic. Emphasize growth rate, niche authority, and any past campaign outcomes once done. This reframes potential concerns into future opportunity and adjusts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.